Well, I know something. I mean, I know you're you and you're me, and I'm you and you.
In terms of impulsivity, disinhibition, grandiosity, pathological compulsion, and promiscuity.
What I pulled. Oh, let me hear that.
One of the inefficiency of linguistic models is lexical.
You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity.
Logical, subliminal information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Let's prediction 1949. And at the end, I like to go cocaine on his back.
Is that just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I crossed you a deep bag.
It's chilly.
Chili. He's a dog. I call him Chili Dog.